Okay, well, this is a quick recap of my trade today. This is actually in Think and Swim. I use both the Dash Trader platform as well as the Think and Swim. Uh, you see, the thing is that basically, being in India, sometimes there is a lag in Dash trading, and when I use the hotkeys, I don't get the fills. So in the morning, I check which one is a better platform to use. So today, I used Think and Swim, and usually I place limit orders here. And so what was happening in the morning was that Johnson and Johnson was on our watch list, and there was some news that there was some baby powder recall. So I was biased for the short, but I was just waiting for the right entry. Okay, and so I shorted it approximately at this level. Okay, when I saw quite a few number of bids on level 2. Okay, this is a 5 minutes chart. And so I took a shot here and I had a level which was here according to the daily. So well, this was my profit target, but usually it's not easy to scale out and think and swim because you don't have the hotkeys. So usually I wait for the stock to reach a certain level, or if I've reached my PNL. Okay, so it dropped almost approximately around 2 points, and I was actually done for the day. And then I covered all here, so I shorted it here and then covered all here. And this is a thing which I need to work on because I usually, when I see my PNL and it's done, but then I got a fear of missing out here, and so this was the level here. So then I shorted it here, scalped a little. Covered here for a little scalp, and then I saw that it's consolidating on 1 minute at a certain what do you call support level according to the daily. Okay, and it was also a whole number here, that's 131. So usually what I look for in reversals, especially for a quick scalp, are two things. One, it should consolidate and it in the 1 minute, and it should consolidate at a strong support level, because a lot of people who are actually seeing that level would obviously either go long for a reversal. So so I went long here, small share size, I didn't want to risk much, and my stop loss was just below 130. Okay, and then I sold at this for a quick scalp. Okay, so these were my three trades. This was the main trade. This was a quick scalp to the support, and then I reversed my position and then went long and then sold here. So this was the trades that I had today. So thanks a lot. I hope you have a good day. Yeah, bye bye.